Guarda.
Oh! Fucking Christ, that was hot.
Oh my God, Arlo. Arlo. Oh my gosh.
Like you can đi lo cái la bà. Let's go.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around the house.
$200,000. Her parents didn't have that kind of money.
According to my information, and I could be wrong, your parents did make exceptions to that requirement.
Is that a question?
No, this is one. Did you ever ask if an exception could be made in the case of Amy's parents?
Я веселый таракан, я бегу, я веселый таракан, я бегу, нифига ты не попал, все равно я убежал, я веселый таракан.
Здравствуйте. Возьмите меня к себе жить. Я вам буду все охранять.
Well, Cheese has figured out his own method for making sure he gets a nibble.
god, babe, I'm gonna lose my shit. Oh my fucking... I haven't brought a towel with me! Maisie! Oh my god. Wait, that's it. That's... Oh my god, we can't... Oh my god!
Parkour!
Film your dogs playing in slow motion, then add this audio.
Tender but firm and give you texture. Very flavorful. The cumin and the citrus at the end, they just shine. But when you dress it up with a little...